What is up guys, my name is Kurt and today we are playing NBA 2K20 with 2K24 rosters, and for today's challenge is Gilas Pilipinas versus Team USA. That's right, Gilas Pilipinas versus Team USA. Makikita natin dito sa rosters, ito po yung Gilas Pilipinas, nakikita nyo po yan, nandito si Jordan Clarkson at tapos yung mga PBA players nandito si Kai Soto. Then sa bando, ayan yung mga athletic na players natin sa Gilas Pilipinas. At nandito naman ang Team USA. As you can see, marami tayong teams dito na taga ibang bansa. Nandito si Lucas sa Slovenia. Okay, ito naman ang Team USA. This is the current Team USA na lalaban sa Olympics. Look at that, nandito si LeBron James. Grabe yung Team USA na to. Nandito pa si Kobe. Hindi ko in-expect nandito si Kobe ah. Okay, that's false. Wala si Kobe dito. Okay, nandito si Anthony Edwards and this is a stock roster, not gonna lie. Puro MVPs nandito. Curry, Durant, LeBron, Embiid, Davis, lahat nandito. Okay. Okay, ito yung settings natin. Hall of Fame difficulty tayo. And 3-minute quarters lang. Huwag muna tayo mag 5 minutes or 6 minutes quarters. Medyo matagal kasi yung video eh. Okay, patig on and injuries on. Tignan natin kung sino ma-injured dito. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ito yung Gilas Pilipinas and Team USA. Dahil lalaban ako sa country ko, Gilas Pilipinas tayo. Okay? Here we go. Nag-loading na siya. And this is a great mod made by Drep TV. Shoutout kay Drep TV dahil sa mod na to. Maraming effort talaga. Here we go at the tip-up. Sino man nanalo sa tip? Fajardo versus Embiid. And Embiid won kasi mas matangkad pa si Embiid. Okay, depensa lang tayo guys. Depensa lang. Uy, gagi! Dapat charging foul yun eh. Oh no, si Curry! Butata pa. Ay, kala ko butata eh. Pinasa lang pala kay Booker. Okay, ito si Tatum. Batayin natin to. Oh no! Let's go! No! Butata pa! Let's go! Butata pa ni Joel Fajardo. Okay, here comes Scotty. Scotty, faking it. Oh! Caught him jumping. And napasok pa. Let's go. Nice fake, Scotty. Okay. Oh no! Uh-oh. Okay, we better watch out for the shooters in Team USA kasi maming shooters dito eh. Oh! Ooh, two-handed slam by the Kraken. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Here we go. Curry versus Thompson. PBA MVP versus NBA MVP. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Okay, nag-skin pa si Durant. Here comes Booker. Oh! Ay, kala ko may steal eh. Okay, Booker. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. No, that's not going in. Nabutata pa and shot clock violation. That's what I'm talking about. Alam nyo ah. Here comes the leader of Gilas Pilipinas until na bumalik na ulit si Justin Brownlee. Oh, Uncle Break. 40. Let's go! We just dropped Jason Tatum. This is Hall of Fame difficulty. Grabe yung depensa sa atin dito. Oh no! Pinawihan pa tayo ng buhay. Okay, let's just focus. Use the clock more. Oh, here comes Scotty. Oh! Nadrop pa si Curry. Scotty, let's go! That's what I like from the MVP. Dapat si Scotty yung nanalo ng MVP last year. Hindi si John Moore. Okay, another screen. Oh no! Let's go! Na-miss niya. Uy, bambay tabakan. Nakakin pala. Here's Scotty. Alley-oop to Scotty! No! Sayang. Okay. Ito yung papantayin natin si Curry. Maraming shooters dito sa Team USA eh. Si Booker, si Curry, si Durant. Lalo na si Curry talaga. Oh no. Okay. 2-point lead. Just use the clock. Okay, Kraken dun ka. Kraken. Here comes the Kraken. Anong gagawin mo, Embiid? Anong gagawin ni Embiid dito kay Kraken? 9-10 MVP. Oh! Panis Embiid. Hindi niya alam anong ginagawa niya. Let's make a stop here. That's not going in. Blocked by the Kraken. Let's go. Jomar Pahard is on fire, bro. 7-11. Here we go. Start at the second quarter. Let's make this quick. Okay. Here comes Clarkson. Oh, look at this. Oh, pulling the moves on Tatum. Oh. Doon ka Japet. Kay Japet pa yan? Si Japet pa yan? Oo na, si Japet na. Okay na. Ito na si Edo. Edo, magaling ba to? No! Edo, focus Edo. Okay. Careful yung paso nyo. Careful lang sa paso nyo. Ito na si Dwight Ramos. Anong ginagawa mo, Dwight Ramos? Ano yun? Nakago pa. No! That's not going in. No! Uh-oh. Careful to our passes. Here we go. The Eagle. Oh, no! No! Binutatapa tayo ni Anthony Davis. Okay, turnover by turnover. Let's go. Okay, Japet kay Dwight Ramos. And then, oh, napala si Keeper Ravena. Okay, keeper. Oh, look at this. Oh! And one? I'll take it. Ah. Oh, no. Yeah, dapat perfect time ka dito pag nagpiprito ka. Just like this. Tignan mo. Just like that. Wag medyo diin, wag medyo early. Excellent release lang dapat. Hindi kasi kung sino shoot. Oh no! Panis pa si Japet. Ayan si Japet. Nagalit na yan. Oh no! Oh! N1! Dwight Ramos with the N1. Let's go! Okay, magaling ba si Dwight? Dwight? Hey! Okay, Jrue Holiday at Team USA. Kailan tagal ng Team USA si Holiday? Oh, no! No! Japet na saan ka, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
Okay. Bawi natin to. Japet. Here comes Japet versus Anthony Davis. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Peke. Oy! Fall pa yun. Japet. Uh-oh. Yeah, it depends kung sino nagpiprito. Kunyari, si Shaq ang nagpiprito, matik na hindi yan papasok. Pag si Curry nagpiprito, matik na papasok yan. Oh no! Napindot ko. No way! That's not going okay. It's a tie game. Kailangan ko talaga ayusin ang depensa ko. Here comes Jamie. Oh, pinabayaan si Jamie. Slam dunk!
Nope!
Okay. Japet. Oh. Japet. Okay, babawi na si Japet sa free throw line. Japet, make this. Let's go. 0 for 2 si Japet sa free throw line. Kaya niya talaga bawiin. Okay. Here we go. Look at this. Dwight Ramos versus Bam Adebayo. Let's go. Panalo pa si Dwight Ramos sa depensa. Okay. Uy, sino pala to? Si Ren Sabando. There we go. Dakdakin natin to. Oh, look at this. Ren Sabando! Lit niya kasi. 10 seconds to go. Malonzo versus Adebayo. Oh, what a steal. Oh no. 3 seconds. Abando! Sayang. A very low scoring game, 17-15. Let's make it happen at the third quarter. Halftime report. Si Scottie Thompson, 4 points. Best player so far is Scottie Thompson with only 4 points. Here we go, guys. Start of the third quarter. Let's make this happen. Tambakin natin sila dito. Here comes Scottie. Versus Curry. Okay, kay Kraken tayo. Maling pasa. Kay Kraken. Oh, panis na naman si Embiid. Okay. Kraken to the free throw line. Uh-oh. Okay, ayusin natin ang free throw shooting natin dito, guys. Let's go. Fajardo versus Embiid. Sino man nanalo? And Fajardo once again. Oh, no. That's mine. Okay. Ay, kickball. Panis talaga sa Embiid kay Fajardo. Laki-laki kasi ni John mo eh.
Psych!
Steal by Jordan Clarkson. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Clarkson slam. Let's go. Jordan Clarkson with a two-handed slam. Oh no. Ayup pa. Jamar, doon ka. Jamar, gagawin depensa nila. Ang lakas. Iba talaga pag Hall of Fame difficulty. Yung depensa kasi. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this mismatch. KD. Ay, gagi. Ano yun? Okay, pinasok ko na si Aguilar at si Soto. That's right. Papasok na natin si Kai Soto. Kapalit ni Jomar Fajardo. Tignan natin kung ano yung magagawa niya dito. Mas matangkad pa siya eh. Tsaka mas malaki. Mukhang mapapayapan na naman si Embiid dito. Grabe yung screen, no? Okay, here comes Curry. Oh no. That's not going in. Tatum yan eh. Okay. Kai, here we go. Here comes Kai Soto. Ooh, grabe. Isa siyang cheat code dito. Pang si Wembanyama din. Oh no. Na. Chamba ka lang. Oh, si ano? Clarkson! Let's go! Jordan Clarkson again. Let's just make a move here. Oh no, that's not going in. Let's go, I was there. Pag nandun ako, alam niyo na, hindi yan papasok. Okay, okay. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Oh, Scotty! Again! Let's go! Pinasayaw na naman si Curry. Look at that. Scotty Thompson once again. There's Curry. Curry. Nahirapan na si Curry, nahirapan na si Curry. Yung Japet. Kay Booker. Kay Booker pa. Ayun na si KD. Dalawang Suns dito. Gawin natin. No, that's not going in. Bantay na bantay ako eh. 9 seconds. Kai Soto. Kai, doon ka. Kai. Help this. Thompson for 3. Buzzer beater. Scotty Thompson for 3. 10-point lead. We had the lead. 29-19. Let's go. Let's keep this up. Here we go. Fourth and final quarter. 10-point lead. Huwag na tayo magpahabol pa. Okay. Great defense lang yung kailangan natin dito. That's not going in. Okay. Olympic K dito eh. Dapat lahat ng natira niya pumapasok eh. Kay Junmar. Pardo. Oh, panis na naman sa Embiid. Junmar, nice one. Here we go. Look at this mismatch. Edo Manzano versus Kevin Durant. Oh no. Nice screen, but it doesn't make. Okay. Here comes keeper Rabena. To Edo. Edo Manzano. To Fajardo. 10-time best player of the conference. Peke pa. Ooh, that's right. The PBA GOAT once again. NANI? Tignan natin kung tira pass. Oh no. Goaltending. Nandiyan si LeBron James. Alam na natin kung nandiyan si LeBron James. Habol na sila. That's not gonna happen kasi nandito na si Dwight Ramos. Okay. I'll take it. Okay, we are improving our free throws here in the second half. Wala pa tayong minute sa free throw line.
That one didn't age quite so well.
Oh, nice. Nice pass. Alley-oop. Okay. Butata! Gabi si Curry. Halimaw Okay. Tignan natin. Akuha natin si LeBron. Panis si LeBron. Dinakdakan ni Clarkson. This is what I'm talking about. Ganito ang laban na sinasabi ko. Oh no. Okay. That's fine. Oh. Doon ka. Sino yan? Mali. Maling pasa. Dapat kay Clarkson yun eh. Okay, 10-point lead. I'm not scared at all. Okay, nice miss. Okay. It's an 8-point lead. Pinasok ko si Ren sa bando dito. Okay, outrun natin si Adebayo, tignan nyo no. Kano kabilis si Ay gagi. No, no, that's not going in. 29 seconds to go, 6 points lead. Papal din na tayo, no? Oo, not in my watch. Okay, final na tayo. I think we won the game. Yeah. Pag napasok natin to, it's the dagger. Clutch free throws by Dwight Ramos, man. 8-point lead, 26 seconds to go. We just won the game. And that's what I'm gonna say. Okay. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. 5-point lead, 19 seconds to go. Okay, paulin nyo lang si Ramos. Dapat pasan natin kay Dwight Ramos yung bola. Oh, shit. Hindi mo pa napasok, bro. Pasok mo yan, bro. Oh, so only a 6-point lead. 2 test ang kailangan nila. Patablayin yung laban. Here we go. 18 seconds to go. Magtitira ba sila ng test? Papasa nila kay Levon. Levon ba? Magtitira ng test? Kay Booker ba? Not in my watch. Look at this. Kai Soto. All alone. Slam dunk. Kai Soto. Let's go. That's not going in. Told you. And we won the game. Let's go. Final score 42-32. And Junmar Fajardo, the Kraken, is the best player of the game. That's what I'm talking about. What a game, boss. Okay, what a game. 42-34. We won the game. Team USA, Curry with 7 points, Booker with 4 points, Tatum with 2 points, Durant with 7, and Embiid with 6. And yung bench players nila ay 8 points. Dito naman tayo sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Thompson, 9 points. Pugoy, 0. Clarkson, 9 points. Edu, 0. Fajardo, the best player of the game, 9 points. At grabe yung contribution ng bench natin with 15 points. That's what I'm talking about. Dapat ganito yung laro natin tuwing naglalaro tayo ng NBA 2K Mobile. Okay? Okay guys, sana na-enjoy niyo yung video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming videos. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa NBA 2K20 with 2K24 mods. So stay tuned for more videos about that. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace.